Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel, and now that just to change the volume of the ringtone we should swipe to the left or to the right side, this white dot. And as can you say, that's so simple. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button control function we have selected the ringtone, not the media. And now just by press the up and down volume button we can see that we can also change the ringtone volume on our device. And also have the third way, just press up or down volume button, and after that swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.